Good afternoon, class 10th. Children, as you know that nowadays our revision is going on, and last time also I sent you two videos which were on your demand. Now I also saw that you wanted a video for pacemakers, and we are going to discuss these two pacemakers today. One is natural and the other one is artificial, right? What you have to see here is, first of all, I have pasted a picture here for natural pacemaker, and sometimes the location. Now this is an area of worry for you. Whenever the location of pacemaker is asked, always write that it is the wall of right auricle near the opening of vena cava, right? And then I have always suggested you to draw the diagram along with. Doesn't matter, it is a rough hand diagram showing two auricles and then two ventricles this way, but if you draw something like this, just write this as RA, right auricle, and this point as SAN, sinoatrial node, and your work is done, right? So this was just a hint, or a method to write how the location can be expressed in the best possible manner. And now we will be proceeding. Let me choose some other color pen so that I can explain better. You see that here various points are labeled on the basis of, see, conduction, sorry, hold on, origin and conduction of cardiac impulse. So cardiac impulse means the electricity wave which is generated in the heart due to the pacemaker, which is known as SAN. Here you can see it is sinoatrial node. This is the right auricle wall, and you can see that this area is shaded as sinoatrial node, right? Why I selected this picture? Because with the help of arrow, you are also given a hint that how these cardiac impulse, which is originated at SAN, it radiates out. Obviously, when it is the electrical impulse is generated, it radiates out. So first of all, it covers the auricular septum. The wall of this node is basically known as up till this area. Now this node is AV node. AV node means the auriculoventricular node. So also covering the auricles, right, and the ventricles, right? Then the same impulse, wherever the impulse will be going, it will be causing muscular contraction. So wherever the impulse will go, it will create systolic condition in that area, the stage of contraction, systolic condition in that area. So when the impulse is generated, that's the first point. Then this impulse radiates out till AV node. This is the AV node, and AV node allows this impulse to be evenly distributed into the two auricles, that's right and left auricle. AM means auricular muscles or atrial muscles. VM are ventricular muscles. You can see that ventricular muscles are much more thicker than auricles, because auricles just have to pass the blood till nearby distance, whereas the ventricles have to pass them to longer distances. So a much higher velocity is needed, and for that a severe contraction is demanded, right? Once the impulse is generated to AV nodes, then impulse will transfer further, because the purpose is to cover all the muscles of the heart. So in that case, this impulse will be transported further, and it is covering the ventricular septum. Now this is the portion, the space between the two ventricles, and on both the inner sides of ventricles are the bundle of His, right? You can see that it's labeled here bundle of His. And finally, when the inner walls of ventricles they are contracted, then the impulse is transferred to the outer side, and this outer side is Purkinje fibers. PF is Purkinje fibers. So it's a good diagram to see the path of origin and conduction of cardiac impulse, the origin at SAN, then passing on to AV node, then bundle of His is the third one, and Purkinje fibers is the fourth one. So first two basically they are contracting the auricular muscles, and rest two are contracting the ventricular muscles. This is the condition. Now the muscles of SAN are also cardiac muscles, but they are just specialized ones. It's just like that all the students are sitting in class, they all are belonging to the similar class, but monitor is just one, so allotted a specific function. Similarly, here few muscle cells they act as SAN so that the heartbeat can be the electrical impulse. The cardiac impulse and the nerve impulse both are electrical in nature, so electrical impulse can be generated. Right, children? But sometimes it happens that due to aging, or maybe the weakening of the heart, or maybe some disease in the heart, or maybe overweight condition, high blood pressure, so many things are there due to which the rhythmicity of the heart is distorted. We know very well that heart beats very rhythmically, and it's like 72, normally 72 beats per minute, but sometimes due to weakening of the muscles of SAN area, the sinoatrial node area, the things go problematic. You call it arrhythmic condition. Arrhythmia, arrhythmic condition, arrhythmia, or you may call it as bradycardia. Bradycardia is also a condition where the rhythm of the heart is affected and the heart starts beating very much slower than the usual rate. It goes, the number of beats goes somewhat below 60 if this bradycardia condition is there. Two words are there, bradycardia lower than normal beat, and tachycardia is also there. Tachycardia is higher than normal beat, right? So just to cure this problem, if this SAN has a problem, then what should a person do? The doctors advise for the implantation of an artificial pacemaker, right? You can see that artificial, I have also pasted a picture here, see. This is for artificial pacemaker, and it is a very clear diagram to let you know what it is looking like, how it works. Now first of all, this is the device. Hold on, another color. So this is the device, right? You can see an implantable pulse generator. Now this is an artificial pacemaker. Implantable means you can implant it inside the body without having any allergic reactions. So implantable pulse generator, what it is made up of? It is made up of the outer capsule. The case is made up of titanium, right? And inside is the lithium battery. So battery operated device, it is a battery operated device, right? How it works, this small battery source is actually connected with the leads. These leads are the wires, right? And they are actually connected. People understand when we say electrodes, those people who are going for ECG must have seen that small circular pads are fixed on, they are stuck on the chest area so that the cardiac impulse can be generated. So here also you have some thick portion at the end of the leads, and what is the purpose? To fix them in the heart, right? So you can see that through the subclavian vein, it is the part of superior vena cava, and these two leads are actually passed through this vein have a wider lumen, you know that very well, and ultimately the leads are connected. You can see most importantly the leads are connected to the right ventricle and the right auricle. Most importantly, right ventricle. I have also seen many pacemakers where the lead is connected to right ventricle. You can see that active fixation and passive fixation, two types are there. Either this lead can be through the screw shaped device, or it can be a hook that can be connected, right? But ultimately your purpose is that the current which is generated by the battery can be straight away passed on to the inner walls of the heart, right? And this battery is generally implanted. Battery is generally implanted in the chest area, and the leads are connected to the right ventricle and right side of the heart, right? And what is the purpose of this artificial pacemaker? It generally creates shocks or impulses in a rhythmic order in case your heart is not able to produce the proper rhythmic beat. If the muscles are weak enough, they are not producing the beats rhythmically, so that rhythm is also maintained by this pacemaker. If SAN is totally distorted at that time also, this pacemaker can help. So basically, arrhythmic condition, bradycardia condition, weakening of the heart muscles, all this is sensed by this battery operated device, and it starts producing those impulses or shocks which are transferred through the lead into the inner wall of the heart, so that the heart receives that impulse and shows the reaction, right? This is all about pacemaker.